Aloha everybody, Dr. Andaya here. Today we're learning about meditation for beginners. Hey everybody, Dr. Andaya here. So I posted something recently about taking deep breaths and using the breath to cleanse. So a lot of the time people will shy away from meditation because we say like, oh, there's always thoughts going in my mind. It's hard to quiet them. Meditation doesn't work because I just keep thinking of stuff. And that is always typical of someone with anxiety or depression or someone who's just very overwhelmed with day-to-day stuff. And so meditation, like everything else, even deep breathing, takes practice. So I'm going to challenge you guys right now. Stop whatever you're doing. And if you guys can't do it right now because there's other people around, put this on pause, get to a secluded room or someplace where you can kind of have some quiet, and we're going to do some deep breathing together. Okay? I'll wait. All right. So now that you're in a space, whether you close your office door or got yourself in a room, take some space right now and we're going to do some deep breathing. Okay? And it's super simple. So when you breathe in, what I want you to do is to just think about that breath. Okay? If other thoughts come into your mind, that's okay. If you're thinking about, okay, this is silly, you feel self-conscious, don't worry about it. It's just me. I won't see you. And there's no one else in the room with you. And I'm doing this in front of everybody. So imagine how silly I must feel, okay? But I'm going to do this anyway because I think it's so important to be able to slow our breath down and to take some time for ourselves, okay? So when you're breathing in, usually they say count to 5. Now, because I have scoliosis and my lung capacity doesn't, I believe, expand to the maximum 5, I do 3. And I do it slow counts, okay? So I inhale to the count of 3 and slowly exhale to the count of 3. All right? And when you're doing this, just remember, you're going to focus on the breath. Nobody else is looking, so you don't have to worry if you're doing it right or wrong, okay? You're going to breathe in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Now, when I do this with kids, I always tell them, okay, visualize, either you're smelling a flower and then you are blowing out a candle. Or you can have some coffee or hot chocolate and you can say you're smelling in that beautiful coffee or cocoa and you're cooling it down, okay? All right, so we're gonna try this. Ready? Close your eyes and just listen to my voice. And you're gonna breathe in, and I'm gonna count to 3 with that breath. Ready? Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. And exhale to the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're gonna do it again. Just focus on the breath and my voice. Inhale in. 2, 3. Exhale out. 1, 2, 3. One more time. Inhale in. 1, 2, 3. Exhale out. 1, 2, 3. And you just keep doing that. So you can do that on repeat. Rewind and play it over until you feel a little bit relaxed. Just doing that, I was hyped up for this video, and just doing that piece kind of slowed me down a little bit, and I need that sometimes. I don't like to do it all the time, but when I'm feeling a little stressed out or overwhelmed with everything, whether it's school, teaching school, my kids, or work, I need to do that. Okay, recenter yourselves. And I know a lot of moms, dads need to do that. It feels weird. Trust me, anything you do for the first time, it's gonna feel weird, okay? But use this video. Hopefully it helps you. You can do it as many times as you want. And don't worry about clearing your mind at that point. Just focus on the breath, focus on the voice that's talking to you, and just start from there. And again, if thoughts pop into your mind, that's okay. Let them float through your mind, respect it, and then let it go. All right, that's it for now. I'll be posting up more quick tips on managing anxiety, kids, depression, a bunch of other mental health stuff, okay? Have a great weekend. Aloha, everybody.
Thanks for
Thanks for watching. Make sure to press that subscribe button and turn on all notifications.